going on, everyone? So today I'm going to be doing a bit differently today. I know I haven't done a gym tutorial video like this before. Well, before I started my Life with Hums, the whole rebranding, we used to do it then in pure gym, but now obviously we've come to a different gym, new gym partners. So you've probably seen in my Instagram as well that I've done gym workouts, just a quick little tutorial, maybe 3-4 minute long. But in this one I'm going to go through it, narrate through it, what I'm going to do. You'll hear me talking behind the exercise as well. So today what we're going to be focusing on is a lot of reps, not heavy weight. We're going to be focusing on a lot of stretching, a lot of reps, getting blood into the muscles. So today we're going to be doing chest, we're going to be doing cable flies, different variations. So there's the normal one where you do normal cable flies and then you can bring them in like that. We're going to be doing that. We're going to use the Pec Deck. We're going to obviously do our compound movements like bench press and dumbbell press and stuff like that. And we're going to probably put some press ups at the end. Let's get it going. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, tell your friends, tell your family, share it. If you have any questions, comment down below or message me on my Instagram or Snapchat, whatever. If you see this video and you think, wait, what does that help, or what does that do, or how many reps should I do, or how many times should I do that in a week, feel free to message me. Let's get it. Right everyone, let's get straight into this workout. So the first machine that we're going to be doing is a Pec Deck Fly machine. Now it's a simple workout, but when done effectively, you will really be able to see the difference in your chest. So I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to benefit and how to maximize the results from this exercise. So first of all, what you want to make sure is when you're stretching the muscle, you want to be inhaling, and when you're contracting the muscle, you want to be exhaling. And also you want to keep a slight bend in your elbows, a slight arch in your back. Make sure your feet are planted to the ground. Give this a go. If you do this properly, trust me, you will love this workout. So, one of the most talked about workouts in fitness, the Incline Dumbbell Chest Press. Now this is a variation of the Incline Barbell Press, and this exercise is used to promote mass strength of the upper chest. Now the use of dumbbells will also promote balanced and equal strength among both sides of the chest. Now with this I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks. First of all being that you don't want to be locking out at the top, meaning that you don't want to be relaxing at the top, neither do you want to be relaxing at the bottom. You want to keep constant tension on the chest, keeping the dumbbells at a 45-degree angle, nice arched back, feet planted to the ground, and make sure you keep the consistency and the intensity going. That's the only way you're going to grow. Now you're probably thinking, wait, why is he doing another fly exercise? Well, yeah, it is another fly exercise, but it's a different variation of a fly exercise. This is a cable variation, incline cables, and I'm incorporating a close grip chest press with this as well. Now that is mainly to focus on the inner part of your chest, making sure you get that bulky, thicker look on your chest. And it's exactly the same way you do the Pec Deck. You want to exhale, you want to inhale, you want to keep a slight bend in your elbows. Now with this, you can either grab both bars together like I'm interlocking my fingers. You want to focus on the chest, push away from you, not above your head, but away from you. That's the only way you're going to feel that incline press. Now trust me, give this a go. You're going to love it. Right, so now that we finished on the cable flies, we started off with the Pec Deck. We did about 4 sets on that. We did Pec Deck, 4 sets, and we went into dumbbell chest press. We did about 3-4 sets on that as well, trying to get the stretch, trying to get as much blood as we can into the chest. And then now we just finished on the cable flies. We did the normal cable flies with the close grip cable flies. Now let's take you over and do some press ups. Not normal press ups. No, we're not using them little bars. So we're not going to be using one of these, even though you can, but we're not going to be using one of these. So we're not going to be doing the normal one on the floor either. We're going to be using a Smith's machine, and I'll show you how to do it. Come on. We're going to keep the bar on the lowest level, do press ups till failure, move your upper level till failure, move your upper level till failure. We're going to carry on doing that until we're probably on like a wall press up, so where you're almost about that angle. Let's show you how to do it. Right, so I just wanted to quickly say before the video carries on is thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new from this. I hope you learned something that you can implement into your workouts. And yeah, thank you very much for watching again. Get your money up, not your funny up. So that, we did 5 different levels. It's not easy. So what have we done today? We've done pec deck. We started off with that 4 sets. Make sure you get the full stretch from the chest. Then we went into chest press. Then we did incline cable flies, normal cable flies, not too heavy, otherwise your form is going to start messing up. So lightweight on that, more reps, and we did close grip on that as well till failure. We didn't count that. Then straight to press ups. We've done 5 different levels in press ups. Number 1 level till failure, then next one till failure, other one till failure. And then once you get to a position where you're like this, maybe to about that position, then stop. Put your hoodie on, get your protein shake, and go home. So now that we've finished our 4 exercises, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Comment down below what you think was good about this video, what could I improve about this video, what exercise do you guys want to see, what do you want to know. Just let me know. So as I was saying before I rudely got interrupted by a phone call, make sure you share, subscribe and like. Head over to my Instagram, Life with Hums, my Snapchat, Humsy_10, and my YouTube, Life with Hums. Tell your friends, family, whatever. I'll see you in the next video.